Hi! Welcome to Norah's Cooking Diary Season 2 Episode 4. In this video, I'm going to share with you a spicy tamarind fish wings recipe. Fish wings in a spicy and tangy sauce is appetizing and wonderfully delicious. It might look hot and spicy from its red color due to the addition of chilies, but the sourness of the tamarind juice will give the balance that will surprise your tongue. This dish will surely give you a satisfying meal that you're looking for. The tamarind is the ingredient that gives the sour taste in this recipe. The main ingredient for the recipe is usually seafood or fish. In this video, I'll be using fish wings. Keep watching and I will share with you how I cook this spicy tamarind fish wings recipe. Happy cooking!